Okay, now we shall do 7th sum of which question? 4th question, and that is in 5.1 exercise. Okay, what here he has given 0, -4, -8 and -12. Okay, so from this we have to find whether it is in AP or not, like last time last class what we did it. So here A1 is what? 0. Then A2 is -4. I have written here A2 is -4 and A3 is -8. From this we can know whether it is in AP or not. How? By knowing the common difference. So how to know the common difference? To find this, what you will do? A2 minus A1 should be equal to A3 minus A2. Suppose if A2 minus A1, whatever the difference has come, this difference must be, if it is equal with the difference of that A3 minus A2, that means third term minus second term. Here second term minus first term, the difference whatever will come, same difference here if it comes, then only we will say that it is an AP. Now let's see, A2 minus A1 is coming how much? This is our common difference. So A2 minus A2 is what? -4. So this minus we have written. Then what is our A1? A1 is what? 0. So we put it 0. So -4 minus 0 is what? -4 only. Okay. Now this is our differences. Now A3 minus A2. Okay. A3 minus A2 is what? This A3 is what? A3 is -8 minus, then what is our A2? A2 is -4. Already this is the formula of minus we have written. So but A2 is -4, that's why we will put a bracket here, we will write -4, right? Now we shall open this bracket. Minus into minus is plus 4. -8, this one, and plus 4. If you subtract, what we are getting? -4. So what is our common difference? Here is common difference. A2 minus A1 is -4 and A3 minus A2 also -4. Therefore what we will say? A2 minus A1 is equals to A3 minus A2. Therefore it is an AP. Okay. Now when it is AP, he said find 3 more terms. So 3 more terms, what we have to do? We shall find out. What is this? Is first term, second term, third term, fourth term. That means fifth term. Fifth term, how we will extend? A we shall write down. Now 5 it is here. 5 minus 1 is 4. So this one will become 4. What is that? That is D, isn't it? So D. So what is our A? A is our 0 plus 4. D is what? D is -4 multiplied by -4. That equal to 0 plus into minus is minus. 4 4s are 16. That equals to -16 is our A fifth. That is A5. Fifth term is this one. Then sixth term A6. A6 equal to A plus 6 minus 1 is 5. A plus 5D. Now A is what? A is what? 0. 0 plus 5 into D is -4. That equals to 0 plus into minus is -20. That equals to -20. Okay. This is our A sixth term. Next 2 terms has come. Now third term, seventh term. A7. That is A plus 6D. That equal to A is 0 plus 6 into D is -4. That is 0 plus 6 4s are 24. But we have to multiply plus and minus, isn't it? Sign. So plus into minus is minus. 6 4s are 24. So now what will be our answer? Our answer will be, what are the 3 terms more? That is -16, comma, then -20, then -24 are the 3 terms. Right? This is the answer. Okay? Understood? Then we shall go for next sum. 7th is over now. Now we shall do 8th sum. Okay? 8th sum, what it is given? Minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 comma minus 1 upon 2 comma minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. Like this he has given 4 terms, isn't it? 8th sum. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms. Yes. Now here also same. A1 is what? Minus half. A2 is what? A2 also minus half, and A3 also minus half. Now let's see the difference. Difference of what? A2 minus A1 difference we shall see. So this is our common difference is coming. Okay, A2 is what? Minus half minus, and what is A1? A1 also minus half. Therefore what we shall do? Minus half minus into minus is plus, then half. So here minus half plus half, that equals to 0. What is our common difference? 0. But let's see next common, what is that? A3 minus A2. A3 is what? Minus half, then minus A2 also minus half. So this minus is our, this minus I put it over here. A2 is minus half minus half. Okay. Now multiply minus half minus into minus is plus half. Here also same, plus minus cancels. So it gives 0. Our common difference, what it is coming? Common difference is 0. Therefore A2 minus A1 is equals to A3 minus A2. Therefore, what you will say? Therefore, this is an AP as common difference is same. Okay. After this, next three terms we have to take out. Next 3 terms we know how. So that is what? This is 4 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4 terms he has given. So A5 we shall take out. A5 same as we have done here. So A5 equals to A plus 4D. So our A is minus half plus 4 into 0. Isn't it? D is 0. So this one equals to minus half. Anything? What? 0 multiplied by whatever may be, that is 0 के साथ कुछ भी, whatever you multiply, so it will come what? 0. So 4 into 0 is 0. So plus 0, that equals to minus half. So our 5th term is minus half. Similarly 6th term, A plus 5D. So A is what? Minus half plus 5. D is what? 0. Here also same, minus half plus into 0, that equals to minus half. So 6th term also minus half. Now let's do for the 7th term. Okay, 7th term is what? A7 equals to A plus 6D. So A is minus half, okay, plus 6. D is what? Common difference is what? 0. So we put that 0. Now minus half, 6 into 0 is something into 0 is 0 plus 0. 0 plus or minus whatever it may be, it comes what? Half. So what? All the terms we have got it. So you have 3 more terms equals to 3 more terms equals to minus half, comma minus half, comma minus half. This is the answer, right? Okay. Now, okay, over. Same sum. All these sums are same. You have to practice. That's why they have given. Okay. So next is what? 8th is over. Now we shall go for 9th sum. 9th sum, what is saying? Next page. Okay. 1, 3, 9, 27. Ninth sum is 1, 3, 1, 3, 9, 27, dash, dash, dash. First we shall see same thing. Now you can pause the video and then you can do it, then you see it. So now I will write what A1 equals to 1, A2 equals to 3, A3 equals to 9, A4 equals to 27. Now common difference we have to find out. So common difference equals to what? A2 minus A1. So what is our A2? 3 minus 1, that equals to 2. Okay. So second is what? A3 minus A2. We shall see what it is coming. A3 is 9, 9 minus 3. That is A3 minus 6. Isn't it? The common difference has come 6 there, here 2. So here what is happening? A2 minus A1 is not equals to A3 minus A2. Therefore, since common difference is CD I am writing, okay? Since common difference is not same, therefore this is not an AP. ठीक है? Okay? Okay. Now let's go for the 10th sum. Understand? Okay. Now 10th sum, what is saying? In 10th sum, okay, 10th sum question is that A, okay, all are giving A, 1, 2, 3, 4 terms हो गया. 4 है. We know that. ऐसा देखते ही पता चल रहा है ये है AP है. But still we have to do it. So A1 equals to A, A2 equals to 2A, A3 equals to 3A, and A4 equals to 4A. Now let's see the common difference. A2 minus A1. What is our A2? A2 is 2A minus A. Since A are what? Same like terms, therefore we can subtract it. 2A say 1A. If you subtract, you are getting A. Okay? Then second one what? A3 minus A2 we have to find out. So A3 is what? Our 3A minus A2 is 2A. If you subtract, you are getting what? A only. That means from this we can say that all common difference is same. Therefore, A2 minus A1 is equals to A3 minus A2. Since common difference is same, therefore it is an AP. Right? Now AP, then we shall find the sixth term. A5, A6, A7. So A5 is A5 का क्या होगा? A plus 4D. A is what? A, isn't it? Our first term is what? A plus 4. D is what? D also A. Okay? So A plus 4 ones are 4 into A is 4A, that equals to 5A. Then A6 equals to A plus 5D. Yeah, you can add one more A here, that will become 6A. So this one will become A plus 5 into A, that equals to A plus 5A, that equals to 6A, right? Then this is one term, this is one term. Then A7 equals to A plus 6D. A is what? A plus 6. D is what? A, that equals to A plus 6A, that equals to 7A. So what is our AP? 3 more terms. Okay, you will write here 3 more terms. What are that? 5A, 6A, 7A. Right? Answer. Okay. Now let's go for the next sum. The 10th is over. Now 11th sum. 11th part, not a sum. 4th question, 11th part. These are the parts we are doing. 4th sum में इतने सारे parts हैं. So many parts are there in 4th sum. So this is a square, a cube, a4 is given. 10th sum में what? a square, a cube and a to the power of 4, isn't it? A cube, a to the power of 4, dash, dash, dash. So now you see. So a1 is what? A2 is a square and a3 is a cube. So let's do the same common difference. a2 minus a1. a2 is what? A square minus a. Okay? So here common difference. Second is what? Because we cannot minus, because these are only a square, a into a square. This is a, that's why we cannot do minus. This same way what we did, x square minus x, it cannot be, they are not same terms, powers are not same, powers are different. So common difference here, a3 minus a2. a3 is what? a3 is a cube minus a square. Here also you can't do. So the common difference is not same. Therefore this is not an AP. Here you will write common difference is not same. Therefore this is not an AP. Okay? Right? So next let's go for the 10th sum is over, isn't it? This one is the 10th sum, no? Yeah. No, 11th sum. This is 11th sum. 11th sum, what I did. Now we are going to do 12th sum. Here I didn't write, no, that's why I said this is 10th sum. But now the one which I did, that was 11th, and this is 12th sum. Okay, this is also bade maza ka sum, very nice. Root 2 is there, all are irrational number, root 8, and this is important sum, root 18, then under root 32, dash, dash, dash. So you must have done in 9th class, isn't it? How to suds. Same way you have to see it. What is here? Root 8 means what? You see root 2, this is a1. And a2 is what? Root 8. So we can solve this one, whether it is a square of some number or mixed or what. So 2 into 2 into 2. Factors of 8 is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So ये pair बन गया 2 root 2 is come. This is a2 is a2, a1 a2 is what? 2 root 2. Then let's take a3. a3 is what? Root 18, that equals to 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. Here also 3 root 2. So our a3 equals to 3 root 2. Okay? हो गया? अब हम कॉमन डिफरेंस निकालेंगे. कॉमन डिफरेंस इक्वल्स टू a2 माइनस a1. व्हाट इज आवर a2? 2 root 2. 2 root 2 minus root 2. So here 2 root 2 से 1 root 2 चला गया. If you take out 1 root 2 from 2 root 2, then it will remain what? Root 2. Okay. Then second, a3 minus a2. a3 is what? 3 root 2. a2 is what? 2 root 2. 2 root 2 from 3 root 2. If you take out 2 root 2, then it will give remain what? Root 2. Like this also you can see. Here what is common? Root 2 is common. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 root. That way also you can do it. So now here what is there? The common difference are same. Common difference is same. Therefore this is an AP. Okay. Now let's go for the 5th, 6th and 7th terms. So 5th term will be a plus 4d. A is what? Root 2 plus 4 into root 2. That means 4, 1 is 5 root 2. Okay. Then A5, A6, A plus 5D. A is root 2 plus 5. D is what? Root 2, isn't it? Our common definition is root 2. Therefore, 5 plus 1 is, that equals to 6 root 2. This is 1. Then A7, A plus 6D. A is root 2 plus 6 into root 2. That is 6 plus 1 is 7 root 2. So, our AP 3 more terms what? 5 root 2 and 6 root 2 and 7 root 2. But you see, what here, what is, this is our mixed, one rational and irrational number. That way we got it. But in the question what he is given, pure set, that means only under root. So what we have to, again हम कहेंगे भैया आप अंदर बाहर चलो. This equals to what? And you go inside the under root. 5 into 5 into 2, that equals 5 5s are 25, 25 2s are 50, under root 50. Okay. Then next one will become what? Next is what? Our 6 root 2. 6 root 2, that equals to, again jaw under 6 into 6 into 2. This equals to 12, 6 2s are 12, 12 6 are 72, root 72. Okay. Then let me rub over here. Okay. I can do it here. So now 6 root 2, 7 root, then last one is what? 7 root. Hello. 7 root 2 इक्वल, ये है मिक्सड है, इसको सड प्योर करना है तो क्या करेंगे? 7 इंटू 7 इंटू 2. जब ये 2 7 जब होगा बाहर को 1 7 आ जाएगा, बाहर को 1 7 आ जाएगा. तो फिर इसको अंदर लाने के लिए 2 7 लिए. ठीक है. 7 7s are 49 into 2 is 98, अंडर रूट 98. ठीक है. अगर हमारा अभी टर्म्स, यू राइट इट, 3 more terms are what? A5 is what? 5 root 2, what it has come? 5 root 2 is root 50, common. Then A6 is what? A6 is 6 root 2. 6 root 2 has come, where it is? Here. 6 root 2 equals to under root 72, and this one and 98. These are the, okay. You understood, no? Here why it is happening? This is 7 root 2, 7 to the power 2 like this. So what happened? Under root means 7, 9th class you must have studied. Under root means half into this 2 to 2 to 1 7. That's why डबल 7 7 अगर आया तो 1 7 बन के बाहर को आ जाता है. ठीक है. अगर इसको फिर अंदर लेके जाएंगे तो फिर डबल करके अंदर 7 इंटू 7 करके अंदर लेके जाते हैं. ये तो 9th क्लास में पढ़े होंगे. ओके. नाउ दिस इज ओवर.